Where is the WPS button located on my router?
Hello! In this video, we're going to help you find the WPS button on your router. This tiny yet mighty feature can simplify the process of connecting devices to your Wi-Fi network. So let's dive in and find that WPS button.
What is the WPS button?
The WPS button stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a physical button on your router that allows devices to connect to your Wi-Fi without needing to manually enter the password. This is especially handy when dealing with devices that have a more complex or tricky user interface.
Where is the WPS button typically located?
The location of the WPS button varies depending on the router manufacturer and model. However, it's typically found on the back or side of the router. 1. On the back, the WPS button is often located near the Ethernet ports. It's usually clearly labeled with WPS or represented with an icon that looks like two arrows in a circular pattern. 2. On the side, in some models, the WPS button may be on one side of the router, often along with other buttons like the reset button.
What if I can't find the WPS button?
If you can't find the WPS button, don't worry. There might be a few reasons for this. 1. It might be represented by an icon. Some routers don't label the button with WPS, but use an icon instead. The icon typically looks like two arrows forming a circle. 2. Your router might not have a physical WPS button. Some routers, especially older models or those with higher security settings, may not have a physical WPS button. In this case, you might find a WPS option in the router software settings, accessible via a web browser. 3. It might be a dual-purpose button. In some routers, the WPS function is combined with another function, like the reset button. In this case, you typically press the button quickly for WPS and hold it down for resetting the router. Remember to refer to your router's manual if you're unsure. It will provide the most accurate information about your specific model. That wraps up our guide on locating the WPS button on your router. We hope this information has been helpful and you're now more familiar with your router. Remember, the WPS button is a small but powerful feature that can make connecting devices to your Wi-Fi network a breeze. Happy browsing!